West African Regional Engineering Competition is to challenge students. Whatever you have been taught, how can you use it to respond to the regional energy challenge? The goals of the competition are to develop global marketable engineering design skills, or showcase them if you have them. Develop excellent problem solving and presentation skills. And lastly, to stimulate interest in identifying local engineering problems. So in responding to the national energy challenge, remember what energy challenge means to the city dweller in Lagos or Accra or Freetown is different from what it means to the villager. What is not disputable is that there is a regional energy challenge. For this competition, we are looking for undergraduates in the last 2 years of study, or recent 2021 graduates, recent graduates. In Nigeria, you might be on national service. I don't know what that would mean in some of the other West African countries. Participants must be registered or have been registered in the Faculty of Engineering or Science of a West African university and have lived in Africa for the last 4 years. We have judging categories. The judging categories are several, but we are presenting here about 6 of them. There are more, and we are adding more. Harnessing ignore energy, keeping the lights on to please the city dwellers, localization to see how you can use existing solution in a local environment to advantage, integrating the solutions, 3D solid modeling, which is supported by Autodesk. Autodesk is the most successful manufacturer of such software in our region, and they are actually supporting this competition. And then talk of high efficiency devices and as well as multi-grid and renewable energy solutions. All this, if you go to our website, you'll see more judging categories. Our judges are Andreas Putz. Dr. Andreas Putz is an expert in fuel cells and Internet of Things. He works out of Vancouver at this point. And then there's Professor Michael Faborode, who was the Vice Chancellor of Obafemi Awolowo University in Ife, in Nigeria. And he's coming in because he has been the lead of the engineering research standards, engineering and research standards at NUC, doing that for the whole of the university system in Nigeria. Then there is there's Tosin Tomori, who is a power generation engineer with Cummins, working out of Atlanta in Georgia, United States. There is also Dr. Victor Olaniyi, who works in Fort Worth, Texas, and he's into microgrids and renewable energy. One interesting thing about Dr. Olaniyi is that he has blazed a trail, and it's not only good to be a judge, he's also an investor. If students can bring products that can be worked on, Dr. Olaniyi is ready to bring the cash to turn it to something that is marketable. Now, the grant prize, there's a grant prize of $10,000, which is provided by International Development Research Center in Canada. That is the grant prize. There are other prizes as high as $3,000 and all the way down to $500. There are 6 category prizes. One of them is being posted by Autodesk for the top student in things like solid modeling and computational fluid dynamics using Autodesk-based software. And there are also 10 top finalists in some of the categories that will be rewarded. We already have 5 corporate sponsors, and we are registering sponsors. A sponsor can go to our website and register to sponsor anything. You can sponsor grant prizes, you can sponsor category prizes, you can also sponsor institutional prizes. In later incarnations of our contest, we are going to have more than grant prize. We are hoping to be able to post like 100,000 prize for the top institution, so that that institution can use that to buy fabrication materials for their students. But right now we don't have that. That's a challenge to sponsors. If you sponsor us, that is one of the things that we intend to do for the institutions, and we would notice institutions that are doing well by an aggregate of the people that come from those institutions. The institutions do not even need to register formally. We are directing our attention to the students straight away. So whether your institution registers or not, you can come for the competition.